Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Impart Pinoy Community and the Reality TV. Andito tayo guys ngayon sa Pato. For today's vlog, June 8, 2025. Magkakaroon tayo ng feeding program sponsored by SDA Home Church Yakal. So, habang nag-aayos pa lang guys, isa pa lang guys at next week pasukan na guys, so meron tayong pamimigay ang sponsor natin, school supplies at saka pagkain guys. Habang nag-aanta guys, andito muna tayo.
Okay, pila kayo maayos, pila kayo maayos, pila kayo maayos,